Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to learn about how to create master detailed relationship if child object has records in it. Why cannot create master details relationship? Because we know that admin will get cannot create master detailed relationship error while creating master detailed relationship if details are already there in child object. Let me show you solution steps to rectify that. Steps. Create a lookup relationship field instead of master detail relationship field because it won't throw error. Second, fill the lookup fields of all the records already exist. After doing that, modify the data type of that field from lookup to master details relationship field. Let us do it in our demo. To explain this scenario, I took mark details object. Here you can see already two records exist. Now I am going to create a master detail relationship object in mark details object because mark details is a child object. Our parent here is student. Click next and next. Save. Cannot create master detail relationship because two records are there. Now, as I said, the first step is create a lookup relationship field instead of master detail relationship. Now I am creating a lookup field with students as a related field. Give some meaningful name and click next and save. A lookup field has been created. Now go to the records page and go to the records one by one and fill that student field with which is a lookup field with some values. So now these two records are filled with student details. Now go to the object manager and choose mark details and fields and relationship and go to the lookup field and click edit and change field type. Here you can choose master detail relationship. It won't throw error because all the details are filled. Save. It not throwing error because the student lookup field are already filled before doing this. So now it is successfully converted to master detail relationship. This is how we have to create a master detail relationship if record is already there in child object. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.